All right. Where was I at? So writing the slope-intercept form of a line given that it's going through that point perpendicular to that. So my slope, we said, the one they gave me, is 3 over 2. I want a perpendicular slope. What's the perpendicular slope? All right. So reciprocal and change the sign, negative 2/3, right? As you said. So this is the one I'm going to use. Okay, this is the one that's important to me. Okay, the negative 2/3. So at this point, let me start doing the work. So y equals mx plus b. Okay, I'm going to write an equation. My slope is negative 2/3, so y equals negative 2/3 x plus b. Okay, and then I'm going to plug in my x and y values from up top, the 3, 0, right? This is my x, my y, so 0 equals negative 2/3 times 3 plus b. 0 is equal to, well, negative 2/3 times 3 is just negative 2. And then I'll add 2 to both sides. So that gives me b. b is equal to 2. Okay? Well, I already know m. I already know b. Let me highlight those just so you can see them right here. There's my m value. There's my b value. So let me just go ahead and write my answer. Okay? Y equals mx plus b will become y equal to negative 2/3 x plus 2. And that's my solution. Okay? So will my green equation be perpendicular to my black equation?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the slopes are opposite reciprocals of each other. It doesn't matter what the y-intercepts are. Who cares about the y-intercepts? The definition is that their slopes are opposite reciprocals. That's the definition. So as long as that matches, we're good. So we'll do one more of these so I can get 2 out of the way for you guys. And then I'll stop there. I'm going to try to figure out why this recording thing stopped after 15 minutes, even though the school supposedly pays for it. Maybe they don't anymore. And they just didn't tell us. I have no idea. So let's see, number 5. Let's go with one that looks a little bit more challenging. Okay, here we go. Through this point, the point is negative 5 comma 4, and perpendicular to y equal to 5/9 x plus 5. So it goes through that point, perpendicular through that point. Through that graph. Or I guess I should say through that line. That sounds better. So it's going to go perpendicular to that line through that point. So, again, if it's going to be perpendicular, the slope has to be opposite reciprocal. What is my current slope right now?
5 over 9.
All right, so what's my perpendicular slope?
Negative 9 over 5.
All right, I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this, but you guys see how I'm writing m and then under it I'm putting a perpendicular notation so that I know that's the slope I need to use for the perpendicular line. Okay? I'm putting a little perpendicular notation under it. So I know that's what I need to use. Now that I know that, y equals mx plus b, that's my equation. I'm going to put in m, which is negative 9/5, plus b. Okay? And then I'll plug in my x and y, which was negative 5 and 4. Okay? Negative 5 for x, 4 for y. So 4 is equal to negative 9/5 times, was it a negative 5? Yeah, negative 5. Sorry, I messed up on that. Negative 5 plus b. So that gives me 4 equal to a positive 9 plus b, because negative 9/5 times a negative 5 is positive 9. We'll subtract 9 on both sides. We're almost done here, guys. Negative 5 is equal to b. So now I know my slope and my y-intercept. So this is my y-intercept. This is my slope. Okay, so plug that in and you're done. So y equals to mx plus b. Y is equal to negative 9/5 x minus 5. And that's it. So this is what's on your homework today.